Hiya, just a quick update here. It's been a year. I've been making these videos for educators, and online free educational materials are especially important right now. Yes, I've seen that teachers are using them, which is great. Unfortunately, I've been ill. It's not COVID. So keeping up with production has been especially hard. Some of our videos have also lost comment sections, features, and some ad revenue due to COPPA compliance. I know it's been a difficult year for many people. If you're able to contribute on Patreon, it would be very much appreciated and help me to continue making these videos, paying for the software, server fees, and other expenses that ad money alone isn't able to cover. If you aren't able to contribute, that's fine too. I ask that you like, comment when that's an option, and subscribe, which helps too. Thanks, and let's all hope for a better 2021. Bye for now.